Hi there, today's video is all about staying safe on Microsoft Teams meetings. We have a couple of tips to share with you on how to make sure you are protected during these online meetings, so let's get started. Once we've created a meeting, we want to go into the meeting options, which is in the ellipsis menu and the top right hand corner. Here we have some options on how we want to set our meeting and keep them secure. For example, we can change who we want to bypass the lobby, so we can change it from everyone to people in our organisation, or you can choose only you and the co-organisers, which means all the other attendees will have to wait until you accept them for them to come into the meeting. We can also just have it for people invited and turn off forwarding for the meeting invite as well, so your meeting invitation cannot be forwarded to anyone else. We can then change who is allowed to present. We can also choose to specify people, so we can type in a specific name and allow them to present as well. Or you can have it for just you and your co-organisers. You also have the ability to decide whether your attendees have microphone and camera access. Once we are in the meeting, we have the ability to change the settings too. If we go into the people icon in the top taskbar, we can see all the attendees in the meeting. We can go into any ellipsis next to any of the names and change their settings. For example, we can mute individual participants if they are disrupting the meeting. We can change whether they are just an attendee or a presenter, as well as being able to remove participants also. Our last tip is creating Teams meetings through Outlook. The same way we use meeting options on Teams, we can do the exact same through our Outlook. By going into meeting options, we automatically have the same given options as we do when creating a meeting on Microsoft Teams. For example, allowing who can or can't present or bypass the lobby. In the ellipsis menu in the top right hand corner, we can find a different option which is called the private button. Once you have clicked the private button, this allows you to make your meeting private so that those who are not invited cannot see the details of the meeting but can just see that you are busy. We have response settings here as well at the top, so we can request responses or allow new time proposals and allow or disallow meeting forwarding. Now we have added all the relevant settings on our meeting, we can safely have the meeting as we want, and on our calendar here you can see the lock on the right hand corner of the meeting title. This indicates the privacy setting that we put on it is actually active and working. So that is everything for today's video. We hope that you found this useful and are now able to set up safe meetings through Microsoft Teams. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks.